Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your cousin to your family members list on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. If you want your Facebook profile to reflect your true family connections, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the About section. It's usually found just below your cover photo or in the menu options on your profile. Click on About to open up more details about yourself. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of categories. Find and click on Family and Relationships. This section is where you can manage and display your family connections on Facebook. Next, look for the option that says Add Family Member. Click on it, and a new window will pop up where you can enter your cousin's details. Start by typing your cousin's name into the search box. As you type, Facebook will suggest people from your friends list. Select your cousin from the suggestions to make sure you're linking to the right profile. Once you've selected your cousin, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Relationship. Click on it and scroll through the options until you find Cousin. Select it to set the relationship. Finally, click the Save button to confirm your changes. That's it. Your cousin will now appear in your family member section on your Facebook profile. Now your profile will proudly display your family connection. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might need a hand updating their Facebook family list. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.